All back together, no tick. I'll put the air box on still, but so yeah, a little bit of work, but you can do it, guys. I was hearing the tick over here before, completely silent. Time to get back to work. Alright guys, hope it helps. Any questions, please ask. Make sure to like and subscribe. How about another one of these little guys? Just let's see if I can get that thing not to tick, because those are annoying. One guy said he replaced it and got it to not tick. I don't know if I believe him. I think that's what they sound like when they're working. It's for the evap. I think it's like the purge or whatever. Always comes on after 1 minute. Kind of sounds like an ejector. Anyway. Alright guys.